Hey, hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy, Sunny Jim Boy, on our YouTube channel, Not Just Fitness. Our channel is basically fitness, but it's not just fitness. So I'm here about to share a life hack with you. Mm, So let's cut it short. I have a 2004 Honda Accord 2.4, as you can see. And what was happening here is that since it got cold over here, my steering wheel was giving me a problem. So it was like, for first, I mean, I'm a kind of guy who would just start a car and just start driving. I don't wait to warm up my car, which is not recommended, which is not right. You should always give time for your car to warm up. So what was happening, as I started the car, I could hear a very weird whining sound, which was, you can tell by the sound that which was coming from the steering pump. This is the steering pump, and when it started, this is the steering fluid reservoir. After I started, there were bubbles in there. Now there are no bubbles because I fixed it. So I tried to figure out what it was. I thought it was the fluid, and there was leak also. So I thought like leak was coming from somewhere in the rack or the pump, but leak was actually coming out. Whenever I started the car, the fluid was coming out from the top of the reservoir because there were like so many bubbles. So since it got cold, I tried to find out, or read some articles, searched YouTube. So I think I found the solution after I watched like a couple of videos on the YouTube, and thanks to those guys, I'm gonna share their videos with detailed work on this thing, how to fix that. What happened was there are O-rings. This is a O-ring. This is outlet O-ring. There's one inlet O-ring, orange color. I had that, but it's too windy over here. It just flew away. So what happened was, like, this O-ring, this is for outlet. This is outlet O-ring, and there's one orange O-ring for inlet O-ring. So when you start the car, the steering pump pulls the oil from here and then push the oil through this pipe, and then it goes to the steering whatever system in there. So what happens is, when it got cold, the O-rings, they got shrunk. They were like, you see this? They're like very they're not round. They're supposed to be round, but after some time they became like squarish. So when it got cold, they shrunk, and there was enough space to pull air in it. So after that, it started pulling air in it, and less oil and air mix, and that's what it was pushing in there, and that's what was making sound. After a while, the car was like warm up. My car was running fine. But now today I've changed the O-rings. So what you need to do is, like, I'm gonna share the videos of the guys which I watched with detailed work. So you needed this to open this up, this thing, and then the new O-ring, orange color O-ring will go here. You'll take the old O-ring out and put the new O-ring in, and then you need paper towels and more steering fluid. So after you're done changing these, before that, you're gonna put paper towel over here. Make sure nothing, because there's oil gonna come out. So after you're done changing that, you're gonna start the car. Let me start it. There's no weird sound anymore, and there are no bubbles. So that's all you need to change. And prior to get, you can do it all by yourself. I did it all by myself. I'm not a mechanic, but I did it all by myself. Thanks to those guys whose videos I've watched and all the information I got. So I'm just uploading this video on YouTube for you guys, because if you are watching my video, you're my kind of guy who doesn't have time and extra money to give it to the mechanics. So adios, and there are links in the videos for detailed work, how to get it done and what else you need. So adios guys, and have fun. And if you like my video, subscribe it and like it and share it and comment in there, and probably I'm gonna bring like more life hacks and very good workouts for you guys. Ciao, bye bye.